My favorite and yours.
And mine.
It's quiz time.
Quiz time.
Okay, so last week's questions were, if the money supply is increased, what is the likely impact on the dollar?
Oh, that's too easy. When supply increases, prices fall, the dollar falls.
Okay, next question is, what would cause gold prices to fall?
Well, actually, that's a good question. If you listen to the gold bugs, apparently nothing
This is true.
would have an effect on gold. However, if you think about it a little more critically, a stronger currency would have an impact on gold. Higher interest rates in the future and other places that would be options to put your money would also place some pressure on gold. And of course, just falling prices could cascade potentially sharply.
Supply and demand.
Yep.
The next question is, when someone wants you to like them, what do they tell you?
Oh, another easy one. They tell you what you want to hear. And you're beautiful, honey.
Oh, wait. Does he mean it? Okay, next question. How should you save for college?
Well, it depends on your situation. We talked about that last week. General rules, lump sum has to go in a 529 if you want tax deferment, because you can't put smaller amounts into an educational IRA. The educational IRA is great for dribbling in sums over the years, up to a couple of grand. And then, of course, you can just save in a non-tax deferred account, and that gives you the maximum flexibility. So it's a question of flexibility and also a question of tax deferment, and everyone's situation is a little bit different.
Okay, well, what do you have for us this week?
This week's pretty easy. So question 1 is, what is the result of a trade war? Second question is, how can a country avoid austerity measures? Might have to think about that one a little bit. Don't want to say the A word too many times. The third question is, how do you deal with bad news? And the fourth question, in our next segment, we will discuss what is the first thing you should think when you hear the words credit card.
Ooh,
Yikes.
good one.
Yep. Stay tuned for that in the next segment. Good luck.